Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to properly start cleaning with your Hutt DDC5. So first, let's start off by making sure that everything here is connected. Now what we would need to do is basically turn the device around, and here we will see the cleaning cloths. So now, to make sure that they will clean, make sure to spray some on it, just like that. Let me show you. A couple clicks is enough to make them a bit wet. Now we can turn it around. Oh, and what we have to spray under here is basically the cleaning spray for windows and mirrors. So after you spray that, now all you have to do is press this little button for 3 seconds and it will automatically start cleaning your window. So this is how you guys can do that. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and a comment. Bye.